Hello! Today I would like to present you this quite interesting vintage collectible piece from company called Polaroid, and it is a genuine remote shutter button. This is extremely simple device that we are going to be checking in a moment with use of a multimeter, and it allows you to trigger picture capture without touching your camera, because you are going to be getting button and piece of wire, so there will be absolutely no movement. It is a really smart device, and here you can take a look at the documentation and how to use it, the directions. So if you are planning to buy it for collection, then 100% this is a good way to do. But I will show you how simple it works, and basically with very limited resources you can rig up something like this by yourself. So here you can see our button that we can press. Even after so many years, the rubber slash silicone thing is extremely nice, and this is how it's presenting. We've got some wire and this extremely funny plug that's got two pins, a little bit similar to the speaker connector, but it is not. It is a little bit different, but you can easily 3D print it. So just in case you would be interested, here you've got the total dimension. Here you've got that plastic thing. Here you've got that direction, the dimension, and here you've got the spacing. It is getting a little bit more narrow. So this is how it's presenting. Those elements itself, the pins. So yeah, it is very easy. And here you've got that part. This is how it's presenting. Here you've got the total length. Here you've got the width. So yeah, it is pretty simple. How to check if the device is operational? You are grabbing multimeter and you go into continuity mode. So now when I will touching lids, we've got the connection. It is a normally open button, so I've got it connected, we've got nothing, but the moment I press it, we've got connection. We do not have, we've got. So this is the only thing that it's doing. It is just creating a dead short. That's simple. So you basically have got absolutely no problem in grabbing button like this or something like that. That is going to be giving you basically exactly the same functionality. You just grab a piece of wire and rig up that type of plug from some nails. So it could be very simple even without a 3D printer. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find that interesting. See you next time and bye bye.